Morgan, and I wanted to show you how I fixed the gaping on this jacket from a thrift store. I ended up adding like hooks and bars, so yeah. I think that these are a little bit sturdier than traditional hooks and eyes, so that's why I ended up going with that particular closure method. And if you'll, okay, I'll try and insert like a before here, and this takes a little bit of time to like do up the front, especially because it's like, it is a little bit tight on me and I'm wearing a bulky sweater underneath, so that also is adding to the issue. But yeah, this is the after, so now there's no longer like gaping over the bust area. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it inspires you to tackle any projects that you've been struggling with. Have a great day!